same time, you're doing the same exact thing to a plant. You're taking
What do you
their life
feed the animals?
against their will. You feed them grass, natural grasses, hay. You
Are
have to
these
supplement
grasses
their diet.
sentient just as much as the plants that we
Yes,
eat? Okay.
that's what we
So
think.
would you not want to decrease your harm? Because we could just eat the plants directly.
But that's what I'm saying. The argument's the same in my view of the
So I'm
spiritual
telling
world.
you that you're unaliving those plants and the animal versus
Yes.
just the plants.
Yeah. Well, what I'm saying is
So
it's the
you're
same thing.
increasing your harm on the world when you don't have to.
You could say that, yeah.